If you work with a team of property managers, not everyone needs full access. And with MagicDoor, you can easily assign certain security access to different property managers. All you do is go to Property Managers, click on the one you want to adjust, configure custom permissions. Now you can either allow full permissions or access to whatever they're in charge of. If this is just your maintenance property manager, you can just select maintenance and press save. Now when they log in, they only have access to the maintenance portion of MagicDoor. You can also adjust their portfolio or property access. So if you own 10 different properties, you can decide which properties this property manager is in charge of. Maybe they're only in charge of this one property. Now they only have access to everything with that one property. And you can adjust all of the notifications that this property manager will receive. If they don't need anything to do with the actual MagicDoor invoices, just go ahead and turn all of those off. With these settings, MagicDoor allows you to customize for your big team or your small team so everyone only has access to what they need.